How to create the bars and tone glitch effect in Premiere Pro. Go to the project panel, and in the bottom right corner of the project panel, go to the new item button, then go to bars and tone. And the new bars and tone window will appear. And the only setting you want to change is the amplitude setting, which controls how loud the bars and tones are. And you want to change it to anywhere around -15 to -18 dB. And press OK. You will then see the bars and tone clip in the project panel. Select it and drag and drop it into your timeline. Then press Shift-7 to open the effects panel, and in the search bar, type in Wave Warp. And drag and drop the Wave Warp effect to the bars and tone in the timeline. And then go back to the effects panel. And in the search bar, type in Noise. And drag and drop the noise effect to the bars and tone clip in the timeline. Press Shift-5 to open the effect controls window and go to Wave Warp. For wave type, change it to noise. Change the wave height to 35. Change the wave width to 604. Direction to 195. Wave speed to anywhere between 18 to 60, depending on how fast you want the glitch to move. Change the pinning to all edges and set the phase to 139. Then go to noise and adjust the noise to anywhere between 10 and 65, depending on how much grain you want on it. And this is how you create the bars and tone glitch effect in Premiere Pro. Like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials, and I'll see you on the next one.